Away, hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Squatter TV, guys. Nothing around the pin. So, guys, I have this crazy show, and what's up? What's going on? There's a good guys. I'm just going around asking people simple questions, just these 3 general questions. Anyway, stay tuned and follow us. Boom. Away, what's up, everybody? Tadzoka zvakare nemukomana Jay zvakanakatiri vana pa Squatter TV vanokudza zviri ground zvikwiti. So guys, ndiri muchiround changu anditi just 3 simple questions for 3 Zimbabweans and then we get what's up. Vari kuziye yanditi. Saka zvamanje manje ndina blaze yangu panapa. Tado flexa namkoma koma stand yani ngoma.
Kuona tumba chiumba.
Nina mkoma handiti marenzo wazitaka. Sa mkoma ka zinziri simple zviri panapa.
Yeah,
ndiri ta strike handiti. Tiri munzo zangu mukazi answer correctly makatora pondo. Asi mukatadza ndopera nepondo ya. Handiti. Ngoma uri muZimbabwe here?
Ndi muZimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Because Mibvunzo is a general knowledge for Zimbabwe.
Yeah, ndizvo.
Right. So my first question, handiti.
Yes.
This is my first question. Guys, my first question.
Yeah.
Zimbabwe handiti. Tine 10 provinces. We have 10 provinces in Zimbabwe. Can you name them?
10 provinces. 21.
Heathcliff.
1. Give 1.
Heathcliff 1. Starting at Heathcliff in Heathcliff 1.
Give 1. Baggy.
Baggy 3.
3. Ndamungani
10.
10.
We need to make 10 provinces, right?
Epwet province.
Epwet province.
Wadzana province.
Wadzana.
DZ province.
DZ.
Epwet province.
Madzokoro dzakwe.
Sorry. Marimba province.
Marimba. Chapa 8. Chapa 7. 7.
Marimba province.
3 more to go.
Fakos province.
Fakosi. That is number 8. 2 more to go. 2 more.
Kamfinza province.
Kamfinza.
Mandara province.
And Mandara to make it 10. So guys, my answers, yes, you see them on the screen. And it's before Taisa exam, Papa. Let's move on to another question, right? So Mibvunzo province, we're done, right? So now we are moving to the next question.
Yes.
All right. The next question is Zimbabwe has 16 official languages. And we have 16 official languages. But Komuri Mdarang, just name 10. And it's 10 official. That would be 6. Just name 10.
I want this.
To the pass. All right. 8 official languages. Name that would be 16 and then you cut it. Change by 8. Let's go. 8.
Zimbabwe chede.
Official languages in Zimbabwe. We have 16.
China.
And it. So Mkomavati 1. Number 1 is Chinese.
China. Malawi.
2 Malawian. Mozambican. Zambian. American. Namibian. One more to go. Zambia might
South Africa.
In South African. To make it 8 official languages, Namkoma. The answers, as you see them on the screen. All right, guys, in any energy.